Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You are watching a weekly link up with me, Kate Stichina. Let's discuss the ongoing situation in Forex with the technical analyst Peter Yakimovich and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. This trading week, investors have been monitoring the conflict between the United States and China. The diplomatic rift escalated as Beijing enacted the controversial security law for Hong Kong. Donald Trump threatened that the US would respond toughly to this move by the end of the week. Besides, State Secretary Mike Pompeo warned that the White House could impose economic sanctions. This anti-China stance weakened the US dollar, so the euro-dollar pair approached the levels predicted by our technical analysts. Today we have linked up again on InstaForex TV channel. Let's find out prospects for the euro-dollar pair from our expert Peter Yakimovich. Hi Peter.
Hello there traders. On the euro versus US dollar, basically what I found is that price actually didn't find enough power to break the strong resistance around the 1.1030. And because of this activity, I see that there is a potential for the downside rotation towards the levels at 1.0935 and even 1.0870. So my expectation is basically to the downside. Basically what I found on the 8-hour time frame is that there is a climatic action, there is a buying climax in the background, followed by a very, very weak demand, which is basically a sign for me that there is a potential for the downside rotation because of the lack of the buying orders and the buying climax in the background, which is basically the sign of the weakness. So again, my expectation is to the downside towards the levels of the 1.0935 and the 1.0870.
Have you revised your outlook for the pound-dollar pair?
On the British pound versus US dollar, basically, since my previous forecast last week, basically the price did exactly what I expected last week. So basically we got a nice rally last week. But so far what I see that actually there is a potential ABC completion. So ABC upside corrected structure might be maybe finish it around this zone. So 1.2360 is a main level, the main resistance level, and I saw that ABC potential completion, which is basically indication for the further downside. So my expectation is to the downside towards the 1.2165 and 1.2085, and both levels are based on the previous price section on the 8-hour time frame. So downside expectation on the British pound versus US dollar.
Do you think the dollar-yen pair will be able to escape from the trading range?
On the USD versus Japanese yen, there is basically a strong consolidation. So we basically, I found on the daily time frame that we got like 5 or 6 days, we're doing the sideways line, and that you must pay big attention, break out of the resistance of this trading range or the support of this trending range may confirm further direction. So let's say that breakout of the resistance at 108.10, I see potential for the price to go to 109 on the USD yen. From the other side, if you see the downside breakout of the support at 107.25, I see that the price can even go down to 106.85 or even 106 level on the USD versus Japanese yen. So since we are in the trading range, my advice basically to watch for the breakout or the resistance or the support of this trading range for the confirmation for the further direction.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations. See you next week. You have watched the link up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina, and Peter Yakimovich, technical analyst of InstaForex office. We wish you always profitable trading. See you soon.